This 2027 Leisure Travel Unity U24CB is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide out. This 2027 Leisure Travel Unity U24CB is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.